Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Quantum Jumper. In this video, I'm just going to give you a best plugin to make a backup, and also if you just want to clone to the different hosting service, you can do that with one plugin called WP Vivid Backup. Okay, so let's get down to it. Install WP Vivid Backup and just go. You will see the screen like this, and you just have to select remote storage. Okay, I'm for this shape of the tutorial, I'm selecting Dropbox, and let's get down to it. Let's authenticate with Dropbox. Okay, so just allow the Dropbox. I'm already signed in with my Dropbox account. If you don't have a Dropbox account, you can able to create with it. You have different options for creating the backup. I have a Dropbox and Google Drive and Amazon. That is Amazon S3, but I choose Dropbox despite the fact that it's only having a 2 GB storage, because Google Drive is my preferred place to save all of my Gmail, photos, Google Drives and things like that should be into the Google Drive, which is in the 15 GB of storage, and we should have to be use Google Drive for the Google files. I don't use OneDrive, I don't use Dropbox. I think Dropbox fine. When I see my limit has been increasing, I will be shifting to Microsoft OneDrive, which is will be my preferred place to save all my WordPress files. Also, for Microsoft OneDrive, I thought to be save all of my links over there to be able to get the links cloudly, but I think this perception will be changed for in the future, I think. But as of now, let me just give it. So let me enter the alias called clone x. Okay, I think that's fine. Clone x. So please read the privacy policy for use the Dropbox application in the Dropbox account, and let me add one. Okay, so Dropbox has been now created. Let me go to my Dropbox account. So go to dropbox.com, and yeah, already signed in. Let's go to your account. This is the paid plan, by the way. It's very it's not friendly, it's not cost friendly, so I should be only using the free plan only, which is dropbox.com, not plans. Okay, you see that in the app section, I guess there should be a plugin, there should be a folder called WP Vivid Backup, and everything will be here. Okay, so let me also come down to this part and go to backup and storage, and from here I will be selecting the Dropbox. Is already got selected. As you can see, it's now highlighted, and you should be selecting database plus files, WordPress files, and create backup. Okay, once you create this will be the interface is going to be look like this. This is very fast, see, and in the matter of seconds it will be create the complete backup of your WordPress files, depending on your WordPress files. So it will not take a very long time, and it will be create backup every here and then. I mean 7 days or more, like that. You have an option, I think, for to create a backup like this, but it should be very important to always back up your files of WordPress, which is WordPress. You mean if you're just working with your WordPress, it means you are working in your main website. Okay, because WordPress is easy and you can be able to create any kinds of website with the WordPress using plugins and themes. Plugins are very important, so it is also very important to also have a good backup plugin, which should be creating a backup and also keeping a backup to the different storage sites like a Dropbox, a Google Drive, or Amazon Drive. Amazon Drive is not is going away, and you should be able to access all of your files onto Amazon Photos. So it has been created. I think it's right now on the local host, but I can be able to download it, and let me check it out with that I have a Dropbox files or not here. So let me go to Dropbox, go here. So still I don't see anything like here. Okay, you can do one more thing. You can just create the backup once you are logged into your website, if you think that you need to create a backup, you just create a backup and download and delete from here, and take this backup into your Telegram cloud. Okay, Telegram, it's completely free, and it's completely free. If you have any trust issue with Telegram because you just creating a backup of yours which containing your login details, so I should be say that if you do not want to do that, just choose a different provider. But once you create a backup, you can just change the password and ID, just change the password of yours, literally. So if anybody, even if anybody can download your complete WordPress files, WordPress backup, he couldn't be able to log in. So this is, I think, the best way to get the backups. But that's it. I think that's the tutorial. This is the hack also for the Telegram cloud. Telegram is completely free, and you can use to throw all the backups inside your Telegram. See you in the next video. And you can also have this backup in your local computer. That will be fine if you do not want to keep it online. That's it. See you in the next video.